Besties, I got a gigantic new pan, so of course I want to make chicken piccata. Come on. This is a 14-inch, which is gigantic. Like, it's so huge. Skillet, I got it from Gotham Steel. I don't know if they have it on TikTok Shop, but if they do, I will link it below. I wanted this because I wanted to do things like chicken piccata or just sear things and not have them be overcrowded. So I'm excited to use it. Let's go. First up, I have my chicken breasts, which have been thinly sliced and pounded out and seasoned. I seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, some Italian seasoning, and garlic butter from Kinder's. I have my seasoned flour, which I also have pecorino romano in here, and I added the same seasons here that I did to the chicken. So we're gonna dredge our chicken lightly. So look, these are super thin, and this is what I mean when I say dredge lightly. I just put it in, flip it over. You just want it lightly coated. Like, we're not going to fry this chicken. Like, that's not the idea here. You just want it to have a light breading and also so it can thicken up your sauce. So this one is done, just like that. I'm gonna lay it out so it can rest. Chicken is lightly coated, so I'm gonna set this aside and start on the rest of it. Oh, I have a helper who asked me if I needed help with anything, and then he was like, how do we peel the onion? I was like, I never taught you how to do an onion, but apparently I have not. So cut it in half, and then cut off
the butt.
Yep.
Cut off the stem.
Sure, cut off the butt, and then just that the first layer. And on how fine a dice you want, you just want to cut it this way. Watch your fingers, please, for the Lord of Pete. You know how sharp this knife is.
I ate off this knife.
Yeah. Yeah, he did. I turned around and he was eating off of his brand new like Ginsu knife, which is super, super sharp. And then curl your fingers in, fingers go in, like this. Here, you finish.
Move when the knife moves.
Move when the knife moves. This big man just got back from Big Bear. Did you have fun?
I did. I really did. It was really fun.
He had a lot of fun. He was taking some beautiful pictures. Until what happened to your phone, son?
I don't know. I may or may not have dropped it off the cliff with Big Bear.
You did drop it off.
I was taking a picture for this one right here. So it wasn't really my fault, guys.
That's his favorite. It wasn't my. Oh, so it's my fault. We're putting in the fresh garlic, so he's gonna do that. How many cloves?
About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, six cloves. He said that looks good. I tend to agree. So then he's gonna wazza, wazza, wazza.
Lock it up.
Lock it up.
Oh. It's really just...
Perfect. Looks great. All right, so onions and garlic are done. Let's go back to the chicken. To fit this giant pan, I have a center burner that goes the length of the, oh, you can see it. I think I'm gonna use that and put this right in the middle because some people have said because the pan is so big that they haven't gotten even cooking, but I'm not stressing. I'm gonna use my big one. Coat generously in olive oil the entire bottom of the pan, and then later we'll come back with butter, but for now we're going to do olive oil. And you need to actually really coat the bottom of this to make sure that it's non-stick, but also just to make sure that it gets even heat distribution. Next, we need to zest these lemons. So this is going to be his job. He swears up and down he is a zester extraordinaire, a masterclass of zest. So
Indubitably I am, guys. He don't believe me because
of course I believe
he's
you.
never seen it, but I had to make sure.
He's just you're using the wrong side.
No, I was using this side.
Okay, so you're just gonna go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You want to zest all the way down until you get to the white. Once you get to the white, stop because
you don't want to break through.
No, it's not that. The white is bitter.
Yeah.
Now you. You nailed it. While he's doing that, I'm gonna add the chicken to the pan. So this is what I like about this pan is it's very, very large. So these will not get overcrowded because look how big these are. We need the space. There we go, there we go. I'm gonna get all of these in and then I'll be right back. Look how gorgeous. He's getting the water started for the pasta and salt. Fresh olive oil in the pan, and then we're going to do our onions and garlic. Onions in, garlic in, homemade chicken broth. I seasoned this. I did garlic, I did onion, I did salt and pepper, and some fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're running out of time. Lemon zest in, capers in, half the bottle. Fresh lemon juice. Chicken goes back in. Yum. This is not traditional, but a turn of cream. I'm sorry we ran out of time. Come back for the plating.